Good morning, everyone. I am Atharva. We have Avdut and Gaurav with us. Today, we are going to present our presentation on the topic word formation in Sanskrit. Sanskrit, being one of the most systematic and scientific languages, follows a very structured process in how words are formed. Understanding this process is not only helps in grammar but also shows why Sanskrit and the language precision is important to us. Our presentation will be divided into three main parts. First, introduction to concept of word formation. Second, word formation algorithm with its example. Third, features and application along with our conclusion.
So let us begin with the algorithm. The process of forming words in Sanskrit follows six main steps. Let us look at each step with detailed example. The first one is Dhātu, which means root. A Dhātu is a fundamental root that carries the core meaning of the word. For example, Patha, which means to read, Gama, which means to go. These roots are the base for creating full words. The second one is Upasarga, which is prefix. And Upasarga is added before the dhatu to modify or refine its meaning. For example, if we add pra prefix to the word gama, then it will give pragama, which means to proceed or to advance. Similarly, if we add a prefix sama, then the word will give sangama, which means to come together or to unite. The third one is pratyaya, which means suffix. A pratyaya is added after the dhatu to create nouns, adjectives, or verbs of different forms. For example, if we add the suffix to word patha, then it will give pathita, which means read. The fourth one is sandhi. Sandhi rules merge or modify sounds when two letters or words meet, making pronunciation smoother. For example, Rama adhika iti gives Rameti. The second example is Guru adhika Ishwara gives Gurushwara. The fifth one is Samasa, which means compound formation. Samasa combines two or more words into one compound, giving a compressed meaning. For example, Rajnyah Purushaha gives Rajapurushaha, which means king's man. The second example is Gajasya Mukham gives Gajamukha, which means elephant's face. The sixth step is Nipata. Nipatas are special words that add nouns, emphasis, or connection without changing the form. For example, he, which means indeed. The sentence will be as Ramah hi balwan, which means Ram is indeed strong. The second example is cha, which means and. Then the sentence will be Ramah Sita ta, which means Rama and Sita.
So, let us now see the features and applications of the systematic word formation process. So, first one is rule exact, which is niyam baddha. Every word formation follows strict grammatical rules. This makes the process predictable and systematic, like a computer algorithm. Second is low exceptionality. Very few exceptions exist, unlike many modern languages. Sanskrit maintains uniformity, making it easier to apply rules universally. Third is composable rules. Rules can be combined step by step, like dhatu adhika upasarga adhik pratyay Adhik Sandhi. This modularity ensures that small parts can build into larger structures. Fourth is generative paradigm. From linked roots, an infinite number of words can be generated. This makes the system productive and efficient.
Moving on with the examples of Pāṇini's word formation algorithm, the first application we have is natural language processing (NLP). It uses Dhātu and Pratyaya rules for accurate word generation and lemmatization. Second is machine translation, applies Upsarga and Sandhi rules for correct contextual meanings and word transformations. Search engines and informal retrieval are the next application of this algorithm. It employs Dhātu Adhik Samas analysis to identify root words and compound form for better search accuracy. Fourth one is the speed recognition systems utilizes Sandhi rules to split join words correctly during phonetic processing. Fifth one is text to speech systems based on Pratyaya and Sandhi rules to pronounce derived and connected words naturally.
So, in conclusion, Sanskrit's word formation system is not just about language, it is about structured thinking. It shows us how precision and creativity can coexist in communication. Thank you.